Why do 70% of Ford F150 owners struggle with remote start issues? Let's break it down. Hey there, Ford F150 owners. If your remote start isn't working, it can be super annoying. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some common issues and quick fixes. First up, a weak or dead battery is a usual suspect. Simply replace it and you might be back in action. Next, check if it's low, your remote start won't activate. Make sure it's fully charged. Let's not forget about if it's not closed properly, the remote start won't work. Double check it's securely shut. Another common issue is your truck needs to confirm the brake is engaged. Make sure you're holding it down firmly. Also, keep in mind if it's on, the remote start function won't work. Get it diagnosed and fixed first. Now, let's talk about head to your vehicle's settings and make sure it's turned on. Sometimes it can get switched off by accident. Lastly, consider if you're too far from your truck, the remote start won't activate. Make sure you're within range, usually about 300 feet, so there you have it. Check your key fob, car battery, hood latch, brake pedal, check engine light, settings, and range. With these tips, you'll be back to starting your Ford F-150 remotely in no time. Happy driving!